Welcome to the Triangle Method, the Underdog course that gives you a system for exploring and for composing electronic music. Are you someone who gets overwhelmed with the endless possibilities in music production or the infinity of tutorials that there are online? Do you ever find yourself thinking that, oh, if only there was a system to all this madness, if only someone had made a map? Well, I've made a map. Well, I have made such a map. So this is a map of everything that's possible in electronic music. And each dot on the map represents one video inside the course. And the goal is that you take one of the green dots and you combine it with one of the blue dots and you combine that with one of the pink dots. And then you apply the triangle method to explore musical territory and come up with musical ideas that are unique to you. So it's not a tutorial on how to make a specific style of music. Those decisions are up to you. This is about a workflow and a methodology and a practice to deepen your craft. You can use this methodology to explore any new tool or process, so this is not limited to just software or hardware, and we'll use both in the course. And in practice, it's a wonderful tool for musical research, so that means that it will apply to you no matter what level you're at. Whether you're a beginner or advanced, there's always something to learn through the simple application of this workflow. Find out more on the Underdog website, and I look forward to welcoming you in the course. Take care.